Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga with Arundathi. Today I'm going to share with you something that I do during the day. So if ever I feel like something's a bit too much, or I just feel a little tensed in my body, so that you can do the same even during the day. At your office you can go to a corner. You don't need to have a yoga mat. So something that I'm going to share with you, hopefully you'll find it valuable. You don't have to do hours of it. You just few minutes and you can feel like really great. So let's first come to a seated position, standing position, feet apart, hands apart. Let's gently close our eyes. Now let's bring our awareness to ourselves. And I invite you, while you do this, to ground through your toes and really plug into the floor, the earth. And I want you to bring your awareness to your heels. Let's tighten that calf muscle, those calf muscles in the back of your knee and your back of your thigh, your glutes. Let's strengthen, tighten your core and your shoulders roll back. And we're standing, tall and strong. So what we just did was brought our awareness to us. Remind ourselves that we are very present in our body and that we are strong, right? We are strong and we are living in this. We're not alone. We're living in this amazing vessel, right? And you're fully present in it. So now we're going to use the power of breath to go a little more deeper. So you can place your right hand on your abdomen. So inhale, bulge that belly out. Exhale, take that belly in. Big inhale, belly out. Exhale, take the belly in. Big inhale, belly out. Exhale, belly in. One last one, big inhale, belly out. And exhale, belly in. Awesome. And bring that hand out. Good. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest with a few gentle blinks. Open your eyes. Perfect. So we just connected very fast, right? With our breath, with our body. I'm sure you already felt like super great. So go to the left side of your mat, right? Mountain. Move your right foot to your right side. So of course you want to check if your legs are a little stiff, right? Let's do that as well. This is a non-scripted video. I just want to do like a quick one, right? So check in with your waist, right? And your hands. Because with me it's all about safety, right? If you've been following me for a while. So your wrists. Good, all right. So left and right leg out. Inhale, hands up. Good. You're going to move that right foot to your right side. We're going into the famous warrior, right? Bend, and bend. And we're going to hold. Grounding through your toes. Standing tall, right? Reminding yourself that you're strong. That we are capable. Good. Raise your right hand over your right shoulder. And your left hand over your left shoulder. And we're going to turn to our right side. If you can hold on to something. And inhale, sweep your hands up. And a different version of a warrior. Good. And we're going to switch it to the other side. So left foot to your left side. Inhale, hands up. Bend, and bend and hold. Ground through your toes. That you tell yourself that you're strong, you're brave. And we are present right now. Right? Right now. Not in the future. Not about the what ifs. Not about the past either. Right? Good. Breathe through it. Awesome. So right hand over your right shoulder, left hand over your left shoulder, and what do? Turn to your left, tiptoe on your right toes, and mountain. Go deeper as you can. Depending if you're up here, that's fine, right? Good. And swap. I'm sure you're feeling great already. Inhale, hands up. And a few waist movements, right? It's always good because sometimes we feel tense because our back stay there. Back is tensed. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Done, good. Bend your right knee, go to the left. Let's see how you're feeling. Close your eyes, big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale, big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Awesome. So I invite you to bring your feet together. We're going to balance on our toes. Inhale all the way up, up, up. Pull yourself up as much as you can. Breathe normally while you're there. Exhale, go down. Feel great, right? Inhale all the way up, up, up. Up, up, up. Exhale down. Perfect. We're going to push our pelvis forward and bend backwards. Full, same, right? And now we're going to slowly bring our hands down. Kind of bend. I'm going to move to the center. Bend your knees. Place your feet in a V shape so your toes are away from you, heels are together. Kind of hang here, right? See how you're feeling. You stay there. It's adjusting my trouser. Just feel that blood flow going down, right? And I invite you to use your palms and clasp onto your opposite elbow and kind of hang here. Good. That's it. Feel all the tensions in the shoulder going away. Feel a nice rush of blood flow to your head. To let go of if you're feeling overwhelmed, if you're feeling emotional, if you're feeling angry, all of that just to go away. Because we start to think logically when we have relaxed. Good. Now I invite you to place your right hand in front of your left foot, right? And straighten your left foot. Left hand over your left shoulder and stretch. That's it. And swap. Straighten your right knee. Left hand in front of your right leg and right hand over your right shoulder. Small stretch, yeah? Good. We're going to settle into a downward dog. I know you would have thought that I'm going to say that. So feel that stretch, right? Really immerse into your body. Breathe into your body. Big inhale. And exhale. Feel that blood flow going up your neck, your shoulders, your upper arms, all the way to your crown. Any tension, we can kind of bring our heel up and down, right? Heels up and down, so working on that back as well. Good, and slowly knees to the mat. And let's settle into a child's pose. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Again, big inhale. And exhale. Awesome. We're going to slowly come into a standing position, but very, very gently, in case you might feel like a blood flow to your head, right? Good. So you're going to place your hands apart, feet apart, close your eyes. Ground through your toes. See how you're feeling now. You feel that blood rush, blood flow all over your body. Sending out the right signals, right? Helping us think logically. Helping us think effectively, efficiently, not getting reactive, not getting emotional or triggered or uptight or feeling low energy, none of that. Now you are completely balanced. Let's ground through your toes again. Let's tighten that kneecap, those kneecaps, your glutes, shoulders back, and stand tall. Remind yourself that you're strong, right? You got this. Big inhale to your nostrils. Visualize your full body from the crown and exhale. Big inhale. Visualize yourself and exhale. Awesome. Tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Awesome. So I hope you enjoyed that, like in a very super short session, right? That you can do it, of course, in the morning or in the evening before 6 or during the day. That's completely fine. I just wanted you all to have something in your back pocket that you can do even when you're frustrated during the day, right? Say even when you're cooking or you're at home or working or with your kids, you just want that few minutes to just, you're feeling like you're going to explode, something super easy to do. But make sure you follow the mobilizing like I have guided, and then cool down as well. Just don't get out to the world with all that energy. We need to balance them out. So thank you so much, and I hope you feel good and I hope you feel centered and strong, right? Because we truly are, and you are fine, you are safe. Remind yourself that. So thank you again for joining, and I will see you next week. Bye for now.